If you're on the hunt for the ultimate corded circular saw, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of power tools to unveil the top contenders for the title of Best Corded Circular Saws. Don't miss out on these cutting-edge recommendations. Check the links in the description box below for more details. Now, let's get started. Craftsman CMES 510 Circular Saw. The Craftsman CMES 510 corded circular saw is a high-performance tool designed for fast and aggressive cutting. It features a powerful 15-amp motor that runs at 5,500 RPM, making it ideal for various cutting tasks. Equipped with a 7:1/4-inch 18T carbide-tipped blade, it offers a cutting capacity of up to 2:1/8 inches for 2x material. One of its standout features is the tool-free beveling shoe, which pivots up to 55 degrees, allowing for angled cuts with dents at 22.5 and 45 degrees for added convenience. The saw's magnesium shoe enhances durability while keeping the weight down, and the metal upper and lower guards add to its robust construction. For ease of use, it includes a metal rafter hook and a contoured overmolded handle that provides comfort during extended use. With a 3-year limited warranty, this circular saw combines power, durability, and user-friendly features to tackle a wide range of cutting applications. DeWalt DWE 575 Circular Saw. The DeWalt DWE 575 corded circular saw is a lightweight powerhouse, weighing just 8.8 pounds. Its 15-amp motor is robust enough to handle tough applications. The saw offers a 53-degree bevel capacity with stops at 45 and 22.5 degrees. Providing versatility. A 2 9/16 depth of cut capacity adds to its versatility. With features like an anti-snag ball-bearing lower guard, tow cord durability, integrated dust blower, and onboard blade wrench storage, it's designed for efficiency and precision. This saw ensures clear visibility from any angle, making it an excellent choice for a wide range of cutting tasks. Galax Pro GP 76321L Circular Saw. The Galax Pro GP 76321L corded circular saw is a versatile cutting tool with a powerful 12-amp motor that operates at 5,500 RPM. It offers precise depth and bevel adjustments, a built-in laser guide, and an adjustable rip fence for accurate cuts. This lightweight saw is ideal for cutting wood, metal, plastics, and flooring, while its dust extraction feature keeps your work area clean and the cut line visible. It comes with 24 teeth and 48 teeth TCT blades, a rip guide, and a hex key for blade replacement. Avid Power Corded Circular Saw. The Avid Power Corded Circular Saw is a reliable cutting tool featuring a 15-amp motor and a 7:1/4x24T saw blade that spins at 5,000 RPM for efficient cutting through wood, metal, and plastic. It offers adjustable cutting depth and bevel angles, 0 degrees to 45 degrees, ensuring versatility in your projects. Designed for user comfort, it comes with an ergonomic handle, safety lock button, and switch design. This package includes a circular saw blade, cutting guide, hex key, instruction manual, and warranty card. Hexstrom Power US 47522 Circular Saw. The Hexstrom Power US 47522 corded circular saw is engineered for precision and power, with a 1,800W industrial motor and a worm drive design. It's ideal for framing walls, roofs, siding, and floors using various lumber types. The left side blade provides a clear-cut line, and the saw is well-balanced and lightweight at 15 ohms. For comfortable use, additional features include a multifunction wrench for blade and brush changes and a built-in tool hook for convenient storage. Thanks for exploring the best corded circular saws with us. Get cutting confidently with these top picks.